What's up, YouTube? Cougarfanmess here, and today I went to the hobby shop and busted a box of Topps Unrivaled, and it was a pretty good box, to say the least. Box number was 17, which is Austin Colley's number, which is why I picked it. So here we have a recap. Go through the numbered cards here really quick. Eric Berry out of 199, right there. Anthony McCoy out of 999 rookie. James Starks out of 999 rookie. Then we have a rookie of Mike Kafka 499. Get the glare out of there. Brian Urlacher out of 499. And Antonio Gates out of 499. It's actually 84, which I think is one off of his jersey. Anyways, 84 of 499. Then we have a Matt Ryan insert out of 999. Donald Brown, let's see, what is this? 64 out of 99 right there. That's the black parallel. Des Bryant rookie out of 999. Eli Manning, these are the three thicker cards, like the thicker parallel. 759, I believe. The Eli Manning, 759. A Justin Forsett out of 759. And then a Brett Favre out of 759. First autograph, Anthony Dixon out of 680. And then we got a couple really nice cards here. This says rookie. This is the black, numbered to 99, Colt McCoy. You can see there's number 94 out of 99. Let's see if I can get the number in there. There it is, 94 out of 99. So that's a pretty nice card. And then my patch was really nice. It was out of 149, Adrian Peterson. Just a one color patch, but still a really nice card. Let's see what that is. That's 85 out of 149. There's the autograph right there. There's the patch. So that was a really, really nice box. I was very happy with that. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.